Hey guys, quick video on setup and review of the VEVOR industrial heavy duty clothes rack, 300-pound capacity I believe, and it's the Z base design for study stability. Let's see what we have here and set it up. So that's basically the whole set. We have solid, everything is solid steel. Even this stuff is heavy duty. So let's assemble it. Alright, we start with the base first. So we're gonna put these two pieces in the Z motion. The bolts will be on the bottom. First we gotta connect it. So we slide these two together. The two of the short bolts go in here. Alright, flip it. Now we attach these guys. Same thing, two bolts. So we're going to be going upwards like this. And this one should be sticking up. Bolt it down the same way. So next we attach the legs, wheels, so just slide on the tabs. They do give you a wrench. And now we just snap in the poles. So these guys snap in together. Just watch for the, look for the ends for the threads that goes on top for the hooks. So these will snap in. And there's a bolt on the bottom here. We are going to bolt these on as well. Using one of these guys. Actually, no, one of the longer ones. Just to give you guys a close-up, my Phillips head screwdriver, which they do include in this 2-in-1 wrench. We'll do the same thing with the other side. Almost there. Now we attach the top portion. You snap in and you do screw these in together as well. 2 bolts. There. And these just snap in. And now if you prefer, what you have left is to put these 2 hooks in, one on each end. Medium length bolts. Guys, here's the whole up rack. As you see, it's pretty big. I'll put the specs, the links below to it and all. Let's load this up with some clothes and see how it looks. This thing's about 6 feet tall. That's my height. And as you see, it's fully loaded right now. place it on just fine. So yeah, holds up to the name, solid. One more thing to mention, the wheels do have locks on them, so if you wanted to stay still, you can lock it into place. So that's pretty cool. But besides that, that's it guys. Hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. Please check out my channel for more how-to videos and so on. Thank you.